Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Worry.
What you gonna be doing today? Say fashion haul.
Oh.
Yay! All right, Mama's gonna get your clothes. I'll be right back. Don't move. Stay right there. Good right. Good right.
That Ollie.
Good right. Good right. Good right.
I won't keep you waiting, waiting. My bag is waiting, waiting. My eyes are sleeping, won't let them stray too far.
So in today's video, Riley will be doing a nice little try-on haul. All of her clothes came from Carter's. It was about $200 worth of clothes. So what do you want to try on first? You want to try sleeping wear or you want to try fall clothes? Which one? You want to try sleeping wear? Sleeping wear it is. So this is outfit number 1. This is a 2-piece sleeping set, and this outfit was only $11.99 and it was 67% off. The retail price was $36. So this is the same outfit that it was paired with. So I was able to get 2 sets for the price of $11.99. So this is just, Riley's acting up right now because she wants a cookie, but yeah. But as you can see, it is so cute. This is also in size 3T. So as you can see, my daughter finally got her cookie. Don't eat off the floor. It's okay, I'll get you another one. And she is calm finally. But this is the second 4-piece set. So this is a koala themed set. This one actually came with a pair of capri shorts, which I think it's so cute. We do go to Florida a lot, so this will be better in the warmer weather. And on the shirt it says cute and cuddly. So this is just 2 pieces out of the 4-piece set, and I also got it for the same price of $11.99. The 4-piece set retails for $36, but of course we got the 67% off. So this is the next piece that came in the set. This is actually an animal print all the way around on the pants and on the top. So this one is actually really, really, really cute. It has some of her favorite colors, which is yellow and purple. And then also we recently went to the zoo and she loves animals. So this is the next 4-piece set. This one is a pair of capri shorts as well. And on this one, it is filled with cute little beautiful butterflies. And it also says dreams come true on the top. Riley is just loving this try-on haul. The way she is just laid back and relaxed. That is crazy. This is actually her first try-on haul. So this is pretty exciting because she actually enjoys it. So yeah. This is also paired with the last set that she got, and I got all 4 pieces for the same price of $11.99. So if you're ever looking for any sleepwear for your toddler, these are sizes 3T, and as you can see, I got multiple different outfits and all totaling out to be around $34. Yay! So yay!
Yay!
Ooh, look at that baby go! Look at you in your denim jacket. Uh-oh. What's your name? Look at baby Riley. Everything is actually in 4T. The outfit is just so cute. Ooh, look at you. Uh-oh, look at you crossing your legs. Are you a model? You want to be a model? Riley loves this outfit. The 2-piece set retails for $36, and then the jacket retails for $32. Say ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Ba-ba-ba-ba.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Ba-ba-ba-ba.
I'm loving it.
I want it.
What? I'm loving it.
Want it.
What are you doing, a cat? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. You ready? You ready for the next outfit? You like that outfit? Okay. So this is the second fall outfit. This is a cute little black pair of leggings partnered with a brown top. It is more like a dressy top and it has hearts all over it. This is definitely something I could see baby Riley wearing to the pumpkin patch or even to the corn maze or somewhere fun. And I would definitely pair this with a pair of boots. And I think this outfit is just so cute. To add some color to it, I would give Riley a little red purse or, you know, a nice little cute jacket to add on top. Maybe even glittery jacket to add on top. So yeah. You wanna take a break and show them your car? Show them mini car.
Mini car.
You love your car? Did you tell them you're going to Disney World? So we are currently planning a trip to Disney World for her 3rd birthday, which is next month. So beep beep. Oh, Minnie got road rage. So this is Riley's last outfit. She's kind of tapped out at this point, I'm not gonna lie. So we only had one more left to go, but I think this is gonna be it. This outfit is a 4T and it shows a prime example of what I mean when I say some clothes fit her perfect in 3T, but then and then also in 4T, but then sometimes they just run a little too big. So this is just a 2-piece set, and the pants and the top were sold separately. The pants did retail to $26 and the top did retail to $30. And yeah, they are both a 4T and they're just a little too bulky on her, but by winter time she'll grow into it. Bless you. Bless you. Pew, pew, pew. Boom, boom, boom. Why you getting Minnie? Say boo. Say bye.
Bye.
Say it was fun.
Bye.
Bye.